I'd like to say something concerning the sports.
Plus particulièrement du sport roi.
More particularly in
Le sport roi.
in team sport.
Ok, c'est-à-dire le football.
Yeah, next football.
J'étais impressionné de suivre l'ambiance qui avait réuni Manchester United et Villarreal.
So I was so amazing to see. You see?
J'étais impressionné
I was amazing.
les critiques parce que de suivre une belle ambiance.
Last Wednesday to see a great or happiness that was passing.
Qui réunissait Villarreal contre Manchester City.
That linked Manchester City with
United, I think. Manchester United.
and Manchester United.
Mais football prend 1h30.
So football lasts 1 hour and 30 minutes.
On a ajouté 30 minutes, c'est-à-dire 15.
They had 30 minutes, 15.
Ils sont toujours neutralisés.
They did anything. Oh, he was the good kicker of the penalty.
C'est-à-dire qu'on a sélectionné 5 joueurs du côté de Villarreal, 5 joueurs du côté. Maintenant, après 2 heures du temps,
So now after 2 hours,
ils sont toujours neutralisés.
and it's a live goals.
Les 5 autres,
10 players without counting the god as the keeper.
les 5 autres qu'on a ajoutés de part et d'autre ont aussi marqué.
Then 10 players of Villarreal scored.
Les 2 autres de United ont aussi marqué.
Other 2 also of
Il y a beaucoup de...
in Europe continent there's many teams,
Mais les 2 clubs de l'Angleterre ont disputé la finale de
but those 2 teams of England dispute about
la Coupe de l'UEFA.
the final of Cup of UEFA.
Maintenant,
Next to another
Real.
Real
Donc si l'équipe de Manchester City et United avait gagné Villarreal,
So now if the team of Manchester City have won Villarreal,
la Coupe des Champions League,
the Cup of Champions League,
la Coupe des Confédérations,
the please Cup of Confederation.
les 2 coupes allaient rester en Angleterre.
The best way of ending Kuluna phenomenon is Kanya Makasi is the best way of ending Kuluna phenomenon in our country, because I know that in the ancient time we had what we call
Opération Likofi.
We had
Punch operation.
They bring us Kanya Makasi. Yeah,
Okay, actually, I can say that what can I say? He's the good way, but not the best.
How?
In my opinion, the best way is just to keep them. Yes, keep them.
You.
Like Chinarambo down in ancient times, to keep them. And that's all. If I kill you, you live in this world and you will never be back. You will never come back again. But even if you travel in Kalamalasi, when you go back, the reason now the person can continue, or can say, can just to give to make some precision, to make some responsibility, to repeat what he's done. But when I kill you, you will never repeat. You will never, you will never repeat your behavior. And that's all.
So all the gangster, the Kanya Makasi is the best way for them. But first of all, I'd like to disagree with what Mr. Hasley just said, was saying that the best way is to keep them, because those men have also their rights. We cannot kill them only like that, even though the bad things that they're doing, because they have also their rights. So the bad thing is just to send them to the relevant place like Kanya Makasi to do the agriculture, so that he can help us to get something here in Kinshasa to feed our children. That's all.
Our government lost the place in which he can put some Kurunas, even some Kuruna here in Kinshasa. So
I want to say our government have a lot of place to put them. It's not just Kanya Makasese, the only place. Yeah. But what I can say about Kanya Makasese, yeah, it's a village, but I can say it's also a good way to give those guys who do not have some jobs, okay, some job, because when you don't have want to do, you can easily try to enter in this system of Kuluna. Yeah. So I can say about that topic. Kanya Makasese is a good way and the best way to handing up the Kuluna.
How about what the guy said that
no, it's
to
not,
kill, because when they're gonna come down, they're gonna just do the same they've done.
I really regret his speech, but you know, killing someone is not human. Yeah, it's not human. Even though he's a Kuluna, like we know the troubleshoot of Kuluna, but
human.
yeah, it's a human. You cannot kill them like that. Animals. Yeah. Thank you.
Kuluna, in view of working, I think that is not a good way to understand things, because before our government can take decision to send Kuluna there, Kanya Makasese was being there, was still existing before. It is a village. So they do the agriculture, not just our government, even though the private, the person make I can say the job there. They produce more. They produce there the corn, the peanuts, the cassava, everything which we are eating here in Kinshasa, not just in Kinshasa, in Congo, come from there. So our government has just decided, because that there are a great space for producing the stuff, as cassava and so on. Our government has decided, has preferred to send the Kuluna. Why? Because our government missed the place where he can put there. And we have the problem of job in DRC, you know, he preferred just to send her there. But Kanya Makasese is the specific way to do the food for our government. I don't think so. So now I come to the second question. Is the best way to first of all, we have to know that price the place, the specific way to hide, to keep the bad person who are doing the shades as Kuluna and so on. Their specific place is there, prison and so on. So our government has decided to send them there. It is good or agreed the solution for finishing Kuluna, maybe, but I prefer just our government can build the prison in view of keeping them there, because prison means the house or center of re-education. You lost the good education in your family. When they put you there, you can take you can change maybe the mindset in view of living Congolese people in peace.
Can't eat that someone can eat. First of all, you gotta know that a prison is somewhere that is not reserved in order to grieve to feed the people. It's where they put to re-educate someone, not to how can I say, to further him by giving them how would the man change by doing those kind of things?
This leader, I have a question for him.
Yeah, ask a question.
God, you mean if someone is living, you can fetch him, right? And the man is straight, you raise him up. You mean to educate someone, it means to private him a food?
No, but not to give them in excess.
Oh! So, guys, those people, they're waking out 24 hours, 24 they have to wake. If the time, each thing has got its time. They've got time for eating. They've got time to rest. They've got time for talking with people because they create a family together. For you mean to educate you. We can talk. You. It's like what that's in this moment that they don't call it educate, but they call it dictatorship. You try to be up with some people. You try to put a dictatorship. It's not good. To educate, you must follow the way. They can eat. They can talk with some people. They can have sometimes a bath. Sometimes they can play game. It's not.
But God, if you can remember, I remember that Kabila put the law that in the taxi or in the car.
4
people. If you exceed 4 people, they're gonna whip you. I think that it is also the good way in order to oblige people to do something else. Today, as you did it, you won't eat. You're gonna stay like this. How do you mean about this?
To force them that because you've done something bad like Corona, you can't eat.
Hard, yeah, you can't.
Guys, what I say, they work hard. They work hard, really they work hard. Because there are some people when they come there in Kenya Makasisi, they've got some injury. You can imagine. If they send them, don't put this in your mind, they send them with the good health. No, there's some people they've got the biggest problem about the health. There's some people before they try to arrest him by the police officer. There are some people that have beat them in the way that you can't imagine. And the men become with some boss here, and their eyes religious to be down on earth. You see, when they come the guy, first thing they are not in the good health. They are the bad health, but they're weak. They're weak because when they send them, they're weak. When they wake, they got any time to eat. This thing that they eat is not the food like we eat here. And the condition of prepared food, God, it's not cool. You know, even here in the prison, central prison, Makala, they got any biggest pot they put here. The color was like that, but the color changed because they don't have any water. No, guys, don't laugh, don't crack up. It's not cool because even they've done something bad, you just to put your mind in your brother. Maybe Fachi, your brother, to your son can do the same thing. You have to punish him, but I don't think you can punish him the same way. Guys, they're our brothers. They deserve to be ill of this. Even they've got bad mindset. You have to put them away, but to educate them in the good way. Can you imagine the prison that we have, like the prison of France, the prison of America, the prison? God, it's not the same like us. Because God, even the government himself, my father, you know, when my friend, I mean my little brother, when he was there in the prison, God, myself, I've seen with my 2 eyes the organization that we call Money If Monisco, something like that. They've brought a lot of organization that we call Money If Monisco, something like that. They've brought a lot of food there, something like the package of chickens, the package of beans, something like that. All this thing you can see in your eyes, they put this something like that for them to prepare them. All the stuff, the chief or the head of the prison will put it for his family or to try to sell. Can you imagine? The government sell a lot of things in the central prison, but the chief of the prison, they've got a bad faith inside of them. They try to put it and they try to sell it, to distribute it to others. God, as they have done something bad, they deserve to be treated in the good way. Give them food, send them doctors if they got sick, but they can move. They just to say, because the goal is just to educate them in the way of working. Even to punish them by whipping is not cool.
Okay, God.
So one member of his family never been got by the corona.
Okay, move on.
Because you know the Bible says that what a man will sow, it one will harvest.
In which verse?
Galatians. So as them they sow the bad thing, they have also to harvest the bad things, not to treat them like the babies, you know, feed them in a good way. It's not good.
If you're carrying them, they won't be educated.
Yes.
Another one? Yeah, another one? Yeah.
God.
No, it is.
My friend says something like, what's happened is because wrongly nothing happened in your family that your brother or your sister was being carried by corona. God, you know, to be carried by corona, you just see maybe the injury. God, we've already faced the biggest problem. Is like the corona can cut you. Can you imagine? You go out, you got $20. You got just for you it means if you are in prison, you have to suffer, you can't eat, you have to work hard, your body must finish, and all flesh might be down and all bones may be up. Is what you mean. and I joined my friend Asler. I joined him in the bad position. Guy, the man said, you know, can you imagine in the time of Kabila, we don't have anything. Guy, if we see Corona phenomenon, in this time when Kabila came in the power, you can imagine that we have something that we call, what again? Kata phenomenon. You understand? If you add exactly 8, 6, that means square, I can send you in the corner. Because there is some people they call kata. Phenomenon, Corona that we have right now is because of the man, Kabila. In this time of the father, we didn't have it. In the time of Mobutu, we didn't have it. In the time of Kasavubu, we didn't have it. Even the Corona phenomenon is when Kabila came, there was something they called the biggest large of number of Corona in Congo. Why? They've already locked Molia TV. You know the cause? Where they put Papa Limanimba inside of the prison. You know the cause? You know what? Because he's done his best to publish bad things about Corona phenomenon. If the people try to claim about the presence, Kabila, that's why he put. And in the same time, it was what? It was King Makambo. When they closed them, the men tried to remove and he tried to change the name by putting M4, King M4. You see, it's because of the man. God, if we suffer right now, Corona can't leave us become like our life is because of Shina Hambo. And Shina Hambo didn't find any solution. Kanya Makasese for Fachi is a good one. We have to give Fachi time. Maybe 10 years, maybe 6 years. Because all things that we see, Kabila is already destroyed. And Fachi tried to push things up.